So in this video I will tell you what are the 4 reasons जिसकी वजह से most of the entrepreneur fail या most of the companies fail in business. वो 4 ऐसे कौन से कारण हैं और वो गलतियां आप भी ना करें. अगर आपने करी भी होगी लाइफ में, you can learn from, and I am telling you from my experience of life and from many people studying a lot of autobiographies and business and working with a lot of entrepreneurs as their business and sales coach. So there are 4 reasons why entrepreneur don't succeed in life, in business. Number 1, they don't know what product or service they are selling to the marketplace. They have confusion. They don't know what they are selling to the marketplace. Second thing, they are not clear about their target audience, target market. Okay. Third thing, they don't know how to market themselves. Yes, they don't know how to market themselves. And the fourth point, they try to become an entrepreneur, they try to build a business, they try to be a successful person by thinking like an employee mindset. Like they want different fruits but having the same roots. You need to understand आपके जो life के results हैं, they are coming from your inner life. Yeah. So if you are an entrepreneur and you think that these 4 things you have clarity. Number 1, you know what you are selling, which means what problem you are solving to the marketplace. Second thing, who is your target market? If you are trying to sell everybody, it means you are trying to sell nobody. That's what most people do. Yeah. Third, how do you market yourself? Now people think marketing is all about running ad campaign. That's not marketing, that's advertising. So what is marketing? I will tell you in the next video what is marketing and how to market yourself. Marketing is not about running ad campaign. No, it's a methodology you attract the customer. Marketing is a very different game. It's way deeper than you think. Yes. And fourth thing, you need to shift your mindset of an employee to entrepreneur. Now, अब आप बोलोगे नहीं यार मैं तो सोचता हूँ एज ए एंटरप्रेन्योर. नहीं, आप सोचते नहीं हो. अगर आप सोचते होते एज ए एंटरप्रेन्योर तो शायद यू वुड हैव बीन अ डिफरेंट मैन, अ गेम चेंजर, मैन और वुमन, व्हाटएवर. The very fact you are not getting the result which you want from your business and life because you don't think right. I was listening a book, As a Man Think. What a powerful book. And he said, if a man or woman is not rich, not happy and not healthy, it means he is not right condition. मतलब उसकी जो कंडीशनिंग और प्रोग्रामिंग है वो सही नहीं है अगर वो पैसे वाला नहीं है, अगर वो खुश नहीं है और अगर वो हेल्दी नहीं है. As simple as that. So now the question for you, how can you find out what is wrong with your business, with your life? For that I will invite you to connect one-to-one on going to my scheduler which is there, and I will help you to find out what is wrong, what is missing in your business life, and then how you can take it to the next level. Also I will reward you my book called Sales Ka Sikandar if you be part of it. Yeah. So thank you very much. In the next video I will tell you what is marketing and the difference between sales and marketing. I am sure you are enjoying this series. Yes, videos are small but the value is a game changer. All the best. Thank you very much.